It seems like every popular noise cancelling headphone costs the same as like a next gen console does. $350. Well, not Beats it seems. Well, not anymore. When released back in late 2017, the Beats Studio retailed new for $350. Fast forward to today, and they're now selling for $250, while the Bose and the Sonys during that time era are still set for that same $350 price tag that they had. So join me in this video as we'll go ahead and see if the Beats Studio 3 Wireless are a great choice for slightly less expensive noise cancelling headphones. When it comes to stylish headphones, Beats are, without a doubt, crowned king. Their design became so iconic that you can see them being used in the fashion industry as clothes accessories. They're like the Yeezys of shoes, which means there's many other knockoffs of companies, brands trying to produce their version of the Beats that are non-official. But besides the pretty look, these Beats actually have some amazing tech inside. The one you see here I got for myself, and they're in a matte black, and they also come in 7 different colors. And just like other Beat products in the past, their unboxing experience is top notch. Some cool black and black text right here. They give us this nice hard traveling case, and underneath that we get our cables. An inline audio cable with built-in button controls, then our user guide, and with the famous Beat sticker, sort of like Apple. And then our power cable. They also throw in a carabiner that we can have attached to our traveling case. This way you could easily attach this to, let's say, your gym bag or anything you could hook this thing onto. So the control layout is really easy to use. All your most important controls are located on the left side of the headphones, minus the power. The Beats logo over here is a very well hidden button right here that you can simply press 1 to pause and play your songs, hold down to launch voice assist, tap 2 times to skip track, and triple tap to go back to a previous track. And along this ring is our volume controls. Then on the right side is your power on and off button, and at the same time can also be used to activate pure ANC. In other words, adapted noise cancellation, which I must say works excellent at the gym or even in populated crowded areas, while listening to music that is. But when you're wearing these without playing any audio, you will still be able to hear the ambient noise around you, just not as loud. Which for me is fine, that's all I really wanted, to block out the ambient noise from being mixed in with my audio. Then in terms of battery life, the Beats can get you 22 hours of playback time in a single charge. That's with the adapted noise cancellation enabled. If you disable that, the headphones can last up to 40 hours, which is more than enough for me. I don't know any trips that I have recently taken that lasted more than 20 hours, nor do I ever plan on to. These Beats do have a feature called fuel charging, where if you find your headphones dead, you could simply plug it into a wall outlet for a good 10 minutes, and that should give you enough juice to last you 3 hours. So in other words, it has fast charging. And let's get to the sound. But by all means, I'm no audiophile. I'm just your average person who just enjoys listening to music, but I could definitely assure you I know the differences between good audio and bad audio. And this one's pretty good. One thing that surprised me, they're not as bassy as past Beats headphones are. The bass has been a bit toned down on these Studio 3s, but they don't sound terrible. Like the low ends still sound really good. I can understand the vocals. There's a lot of good bass control. On the low ends, on the mid ends, even the high ends, they all sound really good. At max audio, they don't destruct the sound or audio at all. So if you listen to a lot of rock, hip hop, rap, EDM, even house music, anything with a loud bass, you still won't be disappointed. The headphone structure is one size fits all. It's very flexible and durable. The whole body is indeed made out of plastic. But this isn't the plastic you'll find when you buy like cheap Walmart headphones. Oh no. For someone who does a lot of airport traveling, or in my case, the benefits of going with this material is that it's lightweight and can perform better than other metal ones that are oddly balanced. These been able to stay on throughout my entire workouts, and the leather ear cuffs are nicely foamy and do an excellent job wrapping around my ear, blocking the ambient noise. Even with glasses or even sunglasses on, the cups still do a great job in sealing the noise away from my music.
and they are quite pleasant to wear. I once went 4 hours while wearing these, and to a point I forgot I even had them on. Also, integrated inside these headphones is the Apple W1 chip. What this means, if you're using an iOS device that's running iOS 10 or newer, the pairing procedure is as easy as just simply powering on the headphones and your phone will automatically detect the headphones are nearby. And as soon as you hit connect, your headphones are automatically connected across other Apple devices under the same Apple iTunes account. And Android users, you have to pair them like regular headphones. But once connected, these things have a ridiculous range of 100+ feet range when connected to your device. I could literally have my phone charging in my bedroom and I'll be going downstairs in the kitchen brewing up some coffee without experiencing any connection issues. And then if you ever find yourself answering a phone call, the built-in mic quality will sound like this.
And the quality is doable. I mean, I could understand the other person on the other line, and they could hear me just fine, even in the city too.
So now, let's cover the bads. Just like any product, this one has a few that bug me.
For starters, since Beats did get bought by Apple a while back,
it would have been nice to see if they integrated a lightning cable or a USB-C port to charge these headphones. But no biggie, I'm sure we still have a ton of micro USB cables in our possession still. But it's just going to be harder to remember to take these cables with you when you travel. And a big disappointing thing to me about these headphones, normally headphones that give you an inline cable like this one, when you plug it into your device, let's say your headphones are dead on batteries while you were listening to music and it just died. This was supposed to be your backup, so you could still continue to listen to your music. Well, unfortunately for these, it doesn't work that way. The headphones need to be charged in order for you to continue listening to music even when you haven't plugged into the cable. I guess that fuel charge kind of makes up for it, I guess, but not really. Oh, and I also forgot to mention, there's no audio delay when watching your videos. So from what I've seen, well here, the Beats Studio 3 wireless are excellent for anybody looking for everyday headphones that are stylish, easy to carry around with, and feel comfortable on your head during any kind of activity. And admittedly, some might say the audio isn't there compared to other headphones, but those headphones are usually $150 more. If you're on a tight budget and you just want something that works and also sounds good with great noise cancellation, the Studio Wireless 3 will be a good choice. Especially right now during these holidays, I'm pretty sure there's going to be a lot of sales going on. So I'll make sure to have a link to where you can get this product in the video description down below. That will be updated with the latest best price available during that time. So be sure to go ahead and check that out. And if you want to go ahead and check out other earphone reviews, check out some of my other videos in this playlist. But as always, like, share, subscribe, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace!